those of you who are new, my name is Kristen. If you guys want to become a member of the Potato Squad, subscribe down below. We're almost at 3,000 beautiful potatoes. And this is Sylvie. She's a little camera shy, so be gentle with her.
Thank you.
And speaking of potatoes, we are making a Greek potato salad inspired by Hot for Foods recipe. It's definitely not the exact same because we realized that we were supposed to have a dressing when we were in the grocery store and we had to make it ahead of time, and we don't got time for that because our potluck is tonight. So we kind of just winged it, but I feel like it'll still be really good. We pre-made our potatoes. We baked them at 450 for about 25 minutes. And I got this really good Greek seasoning from Bulk Barn. It's got like basil, oregano, all kinds of different spices in it. And my little secret weapon is the Clubhouse salads and dips. It is vegan. They just recommend that you add like sour cream to it, but of course we're not going to do that because we don't like dairy in this house. So we're not going to add that. But we've got all of our ingredients here, and if you want to add those potatoes to the bowl, I gotta get us a spoon.
I was gonna go right in it with my hands. Is that okay?
Yeah, do
Okay.
We're not professionals today. We're in a bit of a hurry, but I thought it would be nice to see you guys because it's been a while. I know I've been gone. Getting my little tongs so I can show you. That'd be helpful. We just put a little bit of olive oil and we put it on some parchment paper. Oh, Oscar's getting a little snack. My parents' dog is visiting right now. If you guys check out my vlog, you can see him. We went to the beach today. It was so nice. And I'm trying to think of what I want to add. Do we want to add our veggies maybe?
Yeah.
We've got about 1 large cucumber, half a yellow onion, and a large green pepper. So we'll add those in. I'm gonna give that a good stir.
Using not many potatoes.
I know, we only used 3 potatoes, but I feel like we probably could have used more.
Yeah.
Oh well, it'll be good. It'll be good. And we've got about 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes, some pepperoncinis. We just used these ones from the store because we couldn't find the fresh ones. And we've got some olives as well. So we'll add those in. Hi, Oscar. Are you looking for scraps? You already got a potato, didn't you? This looks so good though. We definitely probably could have added more potatoes. If I were you guys, I'd probably add like 5 or 6 potatoes. Potatoes, depending on like how many people you're feeding. This is for a potluck and usually like 20 or 30 people come, so we wanted to make sure we had enough food for everybody. But it's looking good. We got this dressing from Superstore. It is so good and it's vegan, so I mean, I'm happy about it. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this. As I said, she had the homemade cucumber dressing, which we didn't know about until we got to the grocery store, so we're just gonna forget about that. And then I got the salad and dips. Probably gonna add only about half of this packet. It's the Clubhouse brand. If you guys are ever looking for it. I don't know if it's very Greek, but all these veggies in here will make up for it, you know? Give it a good stir. And the last thing we have is a little tofu feta. We did a full lemon and we squeezed the juice in there, let it sit with that Greek seasoning. You want to add that, Sylvie? Looks really good. That's what kind of makes it a Greek salad, because you've got like the tofu feta in there. This is a block of tofu as well.